Welcome to the Love Hub channel, where we discuss matters of the heart and give relationship advice to women. In today's episode, we are going to talk about how you can make guys attracted to you. Remember, the Love Hub is a judgment-free zone. We don't judge women here. We are your safe space. Now let's get to the topic. Tip 1. Manage your mood. Men are instinctively attracted to happy women. When you are in a good mood, he feels this pleasant vibe when he is around you. A killer smile will make them fall for you. If you want to attract men, learn to manage your mood. One smile and everything will fall into place. Men can sense your vibe, and you don't have to say anything to make it come across. In fact, the less you try to prove what a good mood you are in, and the more focused you are on actually being in a good mood, the better off you will be. Tip 2. Have fun. Do things that you enjoy. Take the time to pursue activities where you can let loose and really laugh. Have fun with things. It's not only to attract guys, but it's also to make you happy. Whether it's going out with friends and having a good time, or spending time with family and living life in a happy, fun way, this is the important thing. You need to be able to have fun and enjoy the best things in life, with or without a man. Experience life in the moment and don't dwell on trivial things that don't matter. If you genuinely have fun and are happy, this makes you more attractive to men because men are attracted to happy women who can laugh and smile a lot. Tip 3. Don't compare yourself to others. Maybe you see another woman and you think to yourself, if only I had. The instinct to compare yourself to other women and to other people in general is normal, but don't do this as a habit. Take this mindset and put it aside, because when you compare yourself, all you can do is make yourself feel miserable and frustrated. The best thing to do is be your best self and focus on things that you can control and improve on. This will make you feel good. Tip 4. Do what makes you feel comfortable. You might have heard that wearing a wacky outfit, getting a strange sex toy contraption, or doing something super sensual is the only way to attract a man. But that's not true. Forget all of this. Trying to do things that you are completely uncomfortable with because you think it will attract a man is a bad idea. You will not be comfortable, and at the end of the day, none of this will make you happy. Being comfortable is essential when it comes to being attractive to a man. If you are comfortable, you will find that everything you do is natural and effortless, and this will make you more attractive to men. Believe me, not all guys are the same. Not all guys are pervs. Some of them really want to be with a woman who is comfortable and happy with herself. This is how long-term relationships work. Tip 5. Know yourself. Self-discovery is an ongoing process that we all go through in our lives. We are always growing and changing as people. Get to know yourself as much as you can, and this will automatically make you feel more confident and comfortable. By knowing yourself, it means that you know your strengths and weaknesses. You will be able to identify what you are good at and what you aren't naturally good at. You will be able to identify what will work for you best. Tip 6. Makeup. Every man has different preferences when it comes to makeup, but there is a consistent theme with what most men seem to find attractive. A good, tasteful application of makeup can certainly transform a woman's look, so definitely don't be afraid to put on some makeup and experiment to see what best fits you. Makeup helps women to feel more confident about themselves. Remember, don't overdo this. Don't overbake your face and hide the natural qualities that make you attractive. You have physical traits that are uniquely you, and you want to emphasize those instead of hiding it. So, if you are putting on makeup, make it simple and tasteful. You want to look attractive and elegant, not like a one-night stand. Tip 7. Clothing. Clothing can make a big difference when it comes to being attractive to men. The main thing is that you wear clothes that fit your body well and accentuate your best assets. The ideal way to dress is a combination of sexy but leaving something to the imagination. Most importantly, find clothing that fits your body. Find something that is flattering to your body shape. And importantly, it should make you feel good. It should make you feel confident. Wear what you want to wear. Tip 8. Smell. Perfume is actually something that a lot of women overdo. Most men don't like very strong perfume. It gives them a headache. You're better sticking off with something very light and very conservative. Don't spray yourself with too much perfume. Fragrance can be a little bit irritating. Being clean is important, and it goes without saying that in terms of smelling good, drenching yourself in perfume is not the way to go. One thing most men agree upon is that women's hair normally smell amazing from all the shampoo products. Hair matters. If it's shiny, shimmering, and smells good, they will be drawn to you. Another thing you can do is if you don't really like perfume at all, then go for body lotions with some light scents. Even hand creams. You don't have to drench your body with a bottle of body lotion. You could just use a simple, light scented hand cream and guys will notice it. And at the same time, it won't be overpowering. Remember, you want to draw him in. You don't want to drive him away. So take all of these tips into account. Try to smell good, try to have tasteful makeup on, and just be comfortable and happy with yourself because he will see that. Men are drawn to women who are unashamed of themselves and who are outwardly happy because they are comfortable with who they are. It's hard to be attracted to someone who is always hiding within themselves because they're so afraid to show the world their natural beauty. They probably don't even think that they're beautiful, and it'll be hard to come close to you if that's how you feel. How can men approach you if you're closing yourself off from the world? Don't do this. You are beautiful and you are fantastic just the way you are. You have your own unique qualities that other women don't have, and those qualities will be appreciated and loved if you're just able to show them. These are just some of the tips that will make guys attracted to you. But remember, you are beautiful on your own, and the Love Hub appreciates your beauty.